Hello everyone. So we are done with week 1 with today, and I hope you are completing your homework that is due later tonight, right? You remember? So these 3 things. So you need to finish, connect to the topic, your speaking assignment, and also listening for details. And this assignment, listening for details, is based on the short lecture we listened. Remember? It's here, but I've also posted it right here. So if you click on it, this is the lecture you have to listen and then answer the question and submit your answers by writing true or false. Okay? So with that, we complete week 1. And then later today, in a few minutes, you should be able to access week 2. So let me go over what you have to do before our Zoom class on Tuesday. So always start with the overview objectives. So we are going to, before you come to class, you will be listening to another lecture and then participate in a discussion later this week. And then there's a bunch of homework that is coming your way this week. But before you come for Tuesday's class, this is what I want you to do. So I want you to click here. And so, I want you to understand like taking notes because that's an important part of this class. You listen to lectures and take notes. So some of the things you need to remember, you don't have to write down every word or sentence you listen in the lecture. Listen for the most important ideas and only note down those. And thirdly, you do not have to write complete sentences. So if I had to take notes on part 1 for the lecture we listened earlier, then this is what I have. 4 ways to choose names, A, B, C, D. You see there are no complete sentences, just the main important points. And then, of course, I've organized it by saying 4 ways, and then I have numbered them, A, B, C, D, so I can remember that. Okay? So I want you to listen to this lecture, which is a new one, and then listen to it again, and this time try to take notes, and then submit your notes. You can handwrite it, take a picture, upload it, or if you want, you can type it the way I did. It's up to you. But don't worry if it's not perfect, you don't know something. This is just for me to see what you can do on your own, okay? And then we will be reviewing this in class. So that is something that I want you to do definitely before our Zoom class on Tuesday. So that's the only big homework you have before Tuesday. Now, as far as this, I just want you to kind of understand. You don't have to do anything yet. You can go to the book if you have on page 11. Otherwise, the information is right here. So you can click on this. And we will be doing this activity in class on Tuesday. So don't worry about it. I'm just getting you ready for that. Okay? So the only homework for Tuesday, other than what you have to finish today, is this assignment. So take your time, and you have time until Tuesday, 4 p.m. to submit it. So I hope you will do it before that. So I can listen or go read it and then we can review it in class. And we have a lot of fun stuff to do on Tuesday. So enjoy the rest of the weekend and I will see you on Tuesday.